The hell are you supposed to be?
I'm the nerdy cook, and today we're going to be cooking a katsu curry. So let's get into it. So for our katsu curry, what we're going to need is panko breadcrumbs that you can get anywhere, plain flour, an onion, turmeric, ginger, cloves of garlic, chicken stock, light soy sauce, mild curry powder, coconut milk, and 2 chicken breasts. First things first, let's prepare our garlic, turmeric, ginger, and onion. Done. So what you wanted to do was chop your onion, grate your ginger, chop your turmeric, and crush your garlic. Now what we're going to do is we're going to soften our onions, put our garlic and ginger in the same pot, and just let that cook for a little bit. Next thing you do is add 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder. Then you put your turmeric in. And mix it together. Once you've let that cook for about a minute, slowly add your chicken stock in, a little bit at a time, and mix it together. Making sure this is at a medium heat as to not burn it. Coconut milk in. Mix it together. Now what you want to do is add a pinch of sugar, dash of light soy, and a tiny bit of salt. And then leave that to slowly simmer whilst we get on with the chicken. What you want to do is butterfly your chicken, each breast in half, and then get it ready to start
battering.
So for your batter, you will need your panko breadcrumbs, I forgot to mention earlier, 2 cracked eggs slightly whisked, and your flour. So what you'll do is put your breast in the flour, coat it nicely, and then dab it in your egg. And then finally in your breadcrumbs, and then put it in your oil. Let that simmer for a bit, and then flip it over. Once your curry is done, what you want to do is strain it through a sieve and get all the juice out of it. Once your chicken's done, put it to the side, dry it off with paper towels, get all the grease out, and then chop it up. Katsu done. Let's give it a go. Don't go to Wagamama's anymore. Just make this. Honestly, it's just as good. Thank you very much for watching. I'll leave the full recipe down below in the description, so you can make your own katsu curry. Don't go to Wagamama's. I'll see you guys next week. Leave a like and a comment if you like this video. If you don't. If you do. It's over there. Look. Hey guys, it's me.
Go.
Mm.